There are a couple of ways to print session reports on our POS POS. The session report is the report that will print out on the POS that gives you the full breakdown of that operator's sales on that POS for the calendar day. It's important to note that it's for that POS for that operator. So if the operator worked on multiple POSs and you want a session report from each one, you'd want to print it off of each one. Let's look at the two ways that you can handle session report printing. The standard way to handle printing a session report would be when the operator is done with their shift, they'll just head back to the main screen, go to non-sale mode, session open and close, and click session close. It'll ask, are you sure you want to close the session? Say yes, and it'll ask if you want to open the drawer to take the cash drawer out. I'll say no in this instance. Now you can print the session report and the cashier can count down their cash and whatever else they need to do. So that's the first way. Now what happens if you don't want the cashier to be able to print that report themselves? You want only a manager or other authorized employees to be able to do it. We have that covered as well. So you can see here we're signed in with our friend Taylor Swift. Now she doesn't have access to the manager mode or non-sale mode. All she has access to is sale mode. So she goes right into sale mode and works her shift. When she's done, she can't go back and close her session at all. She can't do anything. So she's going to click right here and log out, and she's done for the day. Now, when you want to close that shift, the manager or some other authorized operator can walk over, sign in themselves, and when they sign in, they'll be greeted with their normal manager mode, non-sale, and sale mode. They'll go to manager mode, close sessions, and any open sessions will be listed right here. They could find the one they want, and they can close and print the session right here. It'll confirm as usual, do you want to open the drawer? And then it'll print. Now it printed the session and closed her session. Once the session has been printed, you can go to reprint session report, and any of the ones for the day that have been printed will be listed right here. And that's it. Now let's see how we set that up for the operators. So if you want only a manager or some authorized person to be able to print those session reports, you just go into your cloud and go to the operator section. You're going to find the operator login for the cashier that you do not want to have access to the session reports. In this case, it's our friend Taylor. And when we're in here, you can uncheck anything here that you don't want her to have access to. In this case, we're going to uncheck manager mode and non-sale mode, and you see the only thing she has access to is sale mode. When you're all done there, click update, and then the next time she logs in, she won't see manager mode or sale mode. Now to make sure that any user who does need to have access to closing those sessions has it, let's find a user. Let's do our friend Paul Rudd right here. When we're in here, we're going to go make sure he has access to manager mode because he's going to have to go to manager mode to close Taylor's session. And come in here and just make sure that he has closed sessions checked. That way, the next time he logs in, he can go to manager mode and close sessions, and he'll see any open sessions on that POS, and he can close them at any time. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.